Good day to all employer. I'm Sheila May Buscano, 34 years old, from Puruk 12, Stonehills Village, Barangay Batu, Turil, Davao City, Philippines. I am married with 4 children. My elder daughter is 14 years old, the second son is 11 years old, the third son is 10 years old, the youngest son is 6 years old. My height is 160 cm and my weight is 57 kg. I am a college level, took up Bachelor of Science Hotel and Restaurant Management at University of Mindanao, Davao City, Philippines. I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines to Cherry Rose Morales from 2 years and 6 months. And I've served 3 members from the house, including the 2 girls' children. Their age are 2 and 7 years old. My duties are taking care of the kids, cleaning the house, washing the dishes, ironing, marketing, and car washing. And also, I have experience taking care of newborn baby with my own toddler and children. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money to give the needs of my family and to have savings for my kids' future. I am honest, trustworthy, obedient, and hardworking, and also willing to learn on how to cook a Chinese food. I promise to finish my 2 years contract with you and renew when we needed. But before I end this video, I would like to sing a little rhyme song. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, say hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, say hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, say hooray, hooray. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.